Can you imagine a day with no yesterday? And this day will not make any sense without bringing the Big Bang into the picture. Meet Georges Lemaitre, a Belgian priest and physicist who in 1927 did something radical. He used Einstein's equation of general relativity to explore how gravity could shape the universe, and Lemaitre found that the equation didn't require a static universe. In fact, they implied the universe is expanding, and if it is expanding now, that means it must have been smaller in the past. Rewind that expansion far enough, he said, the whole universe comes from a single tiny dense point which he referred as primeval atom, and today we call it the Big Bang. When he shared this idea, Einstein laughed. He told Lemaitre, your math is correct but your physics is horrible. But just 2 years later, Edwin Hubble looked through a telescope and proved the universe was indeed expanding. Suddenly, Lemaitre's theory made perfect sense. Even Einstein changed his mind. He called it the most beautiful explanation of creation he had ever heard. And guess what? Lemaitre wasn't even the one who gave the name Big Bang. That comes from Fred Hoyle, a physicist who supported the steady-state theory and mocked Lemaitre's idea, calling it the Big Bang, but the name stuck and his sarcastic jab became the most iconic name in all of the cosmology. Lemaitre, by the way, never tried to mix science and religion. He said, religion tells us how to go to heaven, but science tells us how the heavens go. And although the Big Bang is the most accepted theory about the universe origin, it also brings some haunting questions. Like, what was before the Big Bang? How can time have a beginning? And the best answer is that we don't know. So now it's your turn to wonder, is the Big Bang truly the beginning or just one chapter in a much larger story?